Parallel lines and transversal. Firstly, we will be learning about the nomenclature of angles when a transversal cut two lines, and then we will explore the further about parallel lines and transversal. So we have two lines M and N, and we have a third line L which cuts the two lines at point P and Q. So this line L is called the transversal. Now with the help of this, there are 8 angles formed. So we have 4 angles formed at the outer side of M and N, that is angle 1, angle 2, angle 8 and angle 7. Since they are formed on the outer side of the lines M and N, therefore these angles are called the exterior angles. And then we have 4 set of angles, that is angle 3, angle 4, angle 6 and angle 5, which are formed on the interior side of lines M and N. So these 4 angles are called the interior angles. So angle 3, 4, 6 and 5 are the interior angles. Now we have the next angles so formed are the corresponding angles. So the first set of corresponding angles is angle 1 and angle 5, since they are corresponding to one another. So we have the first set of corresponding angles as 1 and 5. The second set of corresponding angles is angle 2 and angle 6. Then we have third set of corresponding angles is 3 and 7. Then we have 4 angle and 8 angle as the corresponding angles. So we have 4 pairs of corresponding angles. Now we have another angle so formed as the alternate interior angles. Since they are interior angles, therefore we are talking about the inner angles that are formed on the inner side of M and N, that is angle 3, 4, 6 and 5. Now as the name suggests that the angles are alternate to one another, so we have the alternate angles as in the figure we have 4 and 6 and 3 and 5. So the angles that are alternate to one another are angle 3 and 5, and another alternate interior angle is 4 and 6. So I can write that the first set of alternate interior angle is angle 3 and 5. The next pair of alternate interior angle is angle 4 and angle 6. Now we have alternate exterior angles. So since we are talking about exterior angles, therefore we are talking about the angles which are formed on the outer side of M and N. So we have 1, 2, 8 and 7. So as the name suggests, they have to be alternate. So angle 1 and angle 7 are the first pair of alternate exterior angles, and angle 2 and angle 8 are second pair of alternate exterior angles. We can write that first pair of alternate exterior angle is angle 1 and angle 7. Then the second alternate exterior angle is angle 2 and angle 8. Now we have the next angles that are formed as consecutive interior angles. So we are talking about interior, so we have these 4 angles, and consecutive angles are on the same side of transversal. So that is angle 4 and angle 5, they are on the same side of transversal, and similarly 3 and 6. So the first pair of consecutive interior angle is angle 4 and angle 5. The second set of consecutive interior angle is angle 3 and angle 6. Now these angles are also called as allied angles, and also they are called co-interior angles. Now we have learnt about the nomenclature of the angles so formed when the transversal cuts the two lines. Now we learn about a special case further when these two lines, that is M and N, when they are parallel to one another,